It's another day and it's another piece of insane travel advice. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can download Google Maps offline for the country that you're traveling to, because whenever you're abroad, you're driving around, you're going places, Google Maps is such a vital piece of kit, and by not having signal or internet, that means that your maps might not work. So when you're driving through the jungle, for example, you want to ensure that you have maps, otherwise you will get lost and you may be stranded. So what you can actually do is download Google Maps offline. So firstly, open up Google Maps, find the area you're looking to download, tap the top right hand corner profile picture where it brings up your email address, and tap offline maps. Once you tap this, you can then select your own map. It'll bring up this rectangle and it'll say download this map. So you want to move it around to the rough area you're going. You can probably download about a country and a half. And then what you select is download. It begins to download that map. And then whenever you're abroad in that country, for example, even if you don't have internet, even if you've just turned on your phone, you've got no signal, your maps will work and you're able to go from destination to destination by typing it in. And it's just such a unique travel hack, especially for the likes of a road trip, especially for a country where you might not have a lot of internet. 99% and 100%, and right there it's downloaded. And what this means is that if I was to turn on airplane mode, turn off my Wi-Fi, I could then type in 2 destinations in Costa Rica and go from A to B via the quickest road route without having to use the internet. Mind-blowing piece of kit. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe down below. I hope you found this useful.